Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening to Gagan Sai. Today is the 9th class mathematics chapter number 4th chapter lines and angles. Today we will learn the exercise 4.4 remaining problems 14 to 17 in Telangana State Book page number 104 and 105. Today we will learn it only. Remaining 4 problems today we will learn it. Are you understood of the previous class?
Yes.
Are you any doubts?
No doubts.
No doubts. Shall I start the today class?
Yes.
Yeah. Let's see the problem in your textbook. 14th question. In the given figure, triangle ABC side AC has been produced to D. Angle of BCD equal to 125 degree and angle of A is to angle of B equal to 2:3. Find the measure of angle of A and angle of B. Yeah, this figure is given. This figure is ABC. One side is produced. This side is produced. A to D. Okay. Here exterior angle is formed. One side is produced. So exterior angle is formed. That angle is 125 degrees angle. What's the angle name? Angle of BCD equal to 125 degrees. Okay. Ratios is give. Angle of A and angle of B ratios is give. That is the 2:3 ratio is give. Find the measure of angle of A and angle of B. How to calculate these two angles. Okay. How will you do this problem? First given data, how to write it in your given problem. Very simple. This problem solution is very simple, Gagan Sai. Yeah, this is the exterior angle is given. Exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two interior angles. Okay, that property are using, we will get this one only. Angle A and angle B. What's the property are using? Are you understood? Yeah, first given data, how to write it in our given problem. This is the given only. In the given figure, triangle of ABC side AC has been produced to D and angle of BCD equal to 125 degrees and angle of A is to angle of B equal to 2:3. To find is the measure of angle of A and angle of B. Okay, let the solution for this problem. From the given figure. Look at the notebook, Gagan side. Be carefully, listen better neatly. From the given figure. What is given, what is asked in this problem? One angle is given. What's the angle? BCD angle. That is the exterior angle is given. That is the 125 degree. Next, one ratio is given. What's the ratio? And angle of A is to angle of B equal to 2:3 is given. Okay. To find this angle of A and angle of B only. So angle of BCD is equal to angle of A plus angle of B. Why it is equal? These two are is the exterior angle is equal to sum of the two interior angles. Okay. Exterior angle equal to sum of the two interior angles. Okay, this property are using in this problem only. So, but angle of A and angle of B. But you don't know these two angles, but you don't know how to calculate these two angles. How will you calculate these two angles? By problem, your ratio is given. So, sum of the terms of the ratio. First, you have to calculate it only. The sum of the terms of the ratios is equal, what's the 2 plus 3? equal to 5. Sum of the terms of the ratio equal 5 only. So each angle you have to calculate it. Are you understood? So first I have to calculate the A angle. How will you calculate the A angle? First, how many terms? A is the two terms and B terms is 3 terms. Total is the 5 terms only. Okay. So first angle is how many parts? 2 parts. So total parts is 5 into this is the angle only. A angle is produced to this one only 125 degrees. So into 125. Okay. Are you clear? So simplify this one. Cancellation in the table of 5 table. 5 1 is 5 and 5 2 is 10 and 2 is left. So 25. Here it is the 25. So 5 5 is 25. So 25 2 is 5 2 is 10. 1 carry. Next 2 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 5. So angle of A equal, how much of angle we get it to? 50 degrees. This is the 50 degrees only. Okay. Next, how to calculate the angle of B angle only. B angle is how many parts? B angle parts is, what's the ratio? 3 ratio by total. Sum of the terms of the ratio, that is the 5 only into 125. Simplification of these two only. Cancellation in the table of 5 table. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 5 is 25. So what's that? 25 3 is 75. Okay. Is it correct or not? Multiplication of these two terms. How much of angle we will get it? 3 5 is 50. 3 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 7. Okay. Are you clear? Yeah. This is, we got it. What's the angle? How much of angle we will get it? Angle of B equal 75 degrees. Okay. So this is the final answer. Therefore the measure of, what is asked in this given problem? These two angles are is asked only. So the measure of angle of A and angle of B equal to, what's the angle? Angle of A, it is nothing but 50 degrees and angle of B, it is nothing but 75 degrees. This is the very simple solution. Okay. Check it. Is it correct or wrong? Check it only. So exterior angle is equal to interior, sum of the two interior angles only. So angle of, here it is the angle of BCD equal to angle of A plus angle of B only. Okay. Check process. Angle of BCD is equal to angle of A plus angle of B. So angle of BCD, what's the angle? 125 degrees. Is equal to angle of A, it is nothing but 50 degrees plus 75 degrees. So LHS part is 125 degrees is equal to RHS part is 50 degrees plus 75 degrees. It is nothing but 125 degrees. Both are, is it equal? Yes, is it equal only. So our solution, is it correct or wrong?
Correct only.
Correct only. So what's the property are you using here? It is exterior angle property are using in this one only. Okay. This problem solution is very simple. So this problem solution is over. Are you understood? Next we'll move on to the next question. 15th question. In the adjacent figure, it is given that BC parallel DE, angle of BAC equal 35 degree and angle of BCE equal to 102 degree. Find the measure of first bit, angle of BCA, second bit, angle of ADE and third bit, angle of CED. Okay. This figure is give. The adjacent figure is give. This is the figure is give. What is given, what is asked. First I will explain this problem. Yeah, first parallel is give. Whenever the two arrow segments is give, these two lines is the parallels only. We already learned only. Okay. So these two are, what's the parallel lines? BC and D is the parallel lines. So angles is give. What's the angles is give? B, A, C. Okay, look at the figure Gagan side. 35 degrees is give. Next, B, C, E.
Okay.
Give. That is the 1 or 2 degrees is give. I have to calculate this one only. The measure of B, C, A. But you don't know this angle. This part angle, but you don't know. You have to calculate this one only. Next, another second one is angle of ADE. ADE. So, I have to calculate this one only. Okay. Next, third bit. What's the third angle? Angle of CED. Angle of CED. But you don't know this angle. You have to calculate this angle. How many angles are calculated in this problem? 3 angles are calculated only in this problem only. One by one, I have to calculate it only. How will you do this problem? Very simple. This problem is also very simple. First, once observe this figure Gagan side. Here it is these two are is the parallel is give this problem. This is the straight line. Is it a straight line? A is transversal. Straight line only. So, we have to calculate the first bit, angle of BCA only. So, how will you get the angle of BCA? Since by using the linear pairs of angles. These two are, is it a linear pairs of angle? Yes, is it a linear pairs. Why? Why is it equal to 180 degrees? This is a straight line only. These two angles at a point on a straight line only. So, that's why sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degrees. So, linear pairs of angles, that property are using in this problem. We will get this one only. Angle of BCA, we will get it only. First bit, it's over. Okay. Very simple. And next, second bit, angle of ADE. ADE. How will you get this one? Angle of D. Angle of how will you get this one? Very simple. This is also. First, what we needed for this one? Angle of D. What we needed? Angle of B. We needed only. Okay. How will you get this one? What's the angle? CBD. How will you calculate this angle of D? First, you have to calculate the CBD angle. How will you get this one? This is the exterior angle. CBD is the exterior angle. This is the triangle. Is it a triangle? What's the triangle? CBA or ACB. This is the triangle. This is the exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two interior angles. Okay. These two are is the interior angles only. So, that property are using only. Here it is. Okay. Next, third bit. What's the third bit? Angle of CED. How will you get this one? Angle of CED. Here this is the very simple only. Here this is the angle of CED is equal to angle of BCA. Both are is it equal? Why it is equal? These two are is the corresponding angles. Okay. Why it is corresponding angles? One is the interior angle, one is the exterior angle. These two angles are is the same side of the transversal. What's the transversal? AE is the transversal. Okay. Properties are using, are you understood? First, given data, how to write it in our given problem. In the adjacent figure, BC parallel DE, angle of BAC equal 35 degree and angle of BC equal to 102 degree. To find the measure of first bit angle of BCA, second bit angle of ADE, third bit angle of CED. Yeah, let the solution for this problem. First, from the given figure. First, understanding the question very simple. Okay, that is the very important. From the figure, what is given? BC is parallel to DE is given. AE is the transversal. AE and DA is also transverse. AE and DA or transverse. Okay, and two angle is given. What's the angle? Angle of BAC equal 35 degrees and angle of BC equal to 102 degree. Okay, first bit. What's the first bit? Angle of BCA. How to calculate this one? First, this angle. Angle C, but you don't know this angle from the figure, but you don't know the BCA angle. This angle you don't know. And next, second bit is what's the angle? Angle of ADE. ADE. But you don't know this angle only. How to calculate this angle. Next, third bit is angle of CED. Angle of CED. So, but you don't know this angle. How to calculate it? Three angles only. First bit is angle of BCA. BCA. This is the straight line. Okay. Sum of these two angles. This is the BCA angle. BCA angle plus 102 degree angle is equal to 180 degrees. These two are is the linear pairs. So, angle of BCA plus 102 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Why it is equal to 180 degrees? Are you understood? These two are is the linear pairs only. Why? This is the straight line. Sum of two adjacent angles is equal to 180 degrees only. These two angles at a point, C point on a straight line only. So that's why these two are is the linear pairs angles. Are you understood? Yeah. How to calculate this one only. Why it is calculated? In the given question they asked only. So that's why how to calculate it. So we want this angle only. Angle of BCA angle. How will get this angle? 180 degree before equal plus 122 degree after 102 degree. After equal it becomes to the minus 102 degree. Okay, subtracting of these two terms, how much of angle we will get it. What I am doing the rough calculation. Here it is only 180 degrees minus of 102 degrees. Subtracting of these two only. Borrowing here it is only 10 borrowing here it is. So 10 minus 2 it is nothing but 8. And 1 borrow it's over and left is 7. 7 minus 0, 7 only. 1 minus 1 is 0. So how much of angle we will get it? 78 degrees we will get it. That is the angle of, therefore angle of BCA angle. Okay, what's the BCA angle is? 78. Got it. Okay, this is the first bit answer. This angle is 78 degrees. Okay, are you understood? Yeah, first bit is over and next second bit is angle of ADE. How to calculate this angle? What we needed. How will get this angle? This angle is we needed only. What's the angle? CBD angle. First you have to calculate this angle only. Okay. How will you get this angle? This is the triangle. Is it a triangle? BCA is a one triangle. So this triangle AB, this is the one side. Triangle of one side is produced to D only. So exterior angle is formed here it is. This is the exterior angle. So what's the exterior angle? CBD. Let should be X, otherwise CBD as it is written. This is the exterior angle is equal to the sum of these two angles. What's the angles? Angle A plus angle C. equal to this one only, angle of CBD. Okay, we will get it. First we have to calculate this one only, angle of CBD calculated. Are you understood? Second bit is, what's the first? Angle of ADE. What we needed first? Angle of CBD is equal to, what's the angle of BCA plus angle of BAC. Okay, why it is equal? These two are is the exterior angles. Exterior angle property are using here, it is okay. Okay na? Exterior angle is equal to sum of the two interior angles. Interior angles. Okay. Yeah, simply means is a BCA, it is nothing but C only. So this is the A angle. Okay. So what's the CBD angle? CBD angle, let should be X, otherwise as it is write it. CBD equal to angle of BCA. We know that only. Okay, you already got it, this angle. So what's the angle? Substitute this angle only. So what's the angle? 78 degrees plus angle of BAC is given in given figure only. So that angle is 35 degrees. Sum of these two angles will get this one only. I will get the angle. Are you understood? Sum of these two only. What's the 78 plus 35? 8 plus 5, it is nothing but 13. So 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 113 degrees. Okay, are you clear? Are you understood? So this angle, got it. What's the angle? CBD angle equal 113. This angle is 113 angle. Okay. Yeah, but we want this angle only. What's the angle? ADE angle. We want the ADE angle. ADE equal to, how will get this angle of ADE? What's the property are using in this problem? ADE angle. How will get this one? This is the, these two are is the parallels is given. BC parallel to DE is. DA is the transversal. Okay. These two is the same side. Is it a same side of the transversal? Yes, is it a same side of the transversal only. So interior, these two are is the interior angles or exterior angles? Interior angles only. So interior angles on the same side of the transversals equal to 180 degrees. That property are using in this one only. So we will get this one only. How will get this angle of AD angle of D angle? Are you understood? Yeah, sum of this one only, angle of D plus angle of CBD equal 180 degrees. What's the property are using here? It is interior angle. Sum of the interior, sum of the, here it is the less space Gagan Sai. So yeah, first sum of the interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Transversal, you already know this property. Okay, that property are using this one only. So what's the angle of D angle, but you don't know. What's the angle of CBD angle? What's the 113 degrees equal to 180 degrees. So we want the angle of D only. So angle of D equal to 180 degree before equal plus 113 degree. After equal it becomes to the minus of 113 degrees. Okay, subtracting of these two terms, how much of angle? To get it only. That is the angle of D angle only. Okay. Subtracting. Here it is the 180 degree minus of 113 degree. Subtracting of these two only. So borrowing of 10. 10 minus 3 is 7 only. Okay. Next one borrow it's over. Left is 7. 7 minus 1 is 6 only. 67 degrees. Angle of D equal, how much of angle we get it to? 67 degrees. This is the 67 degrees. Angle of D it is nothing but angle of AD only. Okay. Angle of D or angle of AD. Both are is it equal? Equal only. Okay. Are you understood? Yeah. This is the second bit. It's over. Next. Here it is the no space Gagan side. Okay. In this problem is the less space only. A third bit is a very simple only. That is the chota only. So that's why you write it only. Third bit. Directly is also third bit. You write it here. It is. Okay. Angle of CED equal to angle of BCA. Why it is equal? These two are is the corresponding angle only. Okay, angle of CED equal to angle of BCA. Do you know the BCA angle? We know that only. What's the angle? 78 degrees. Therefore, angle of CED equal to 78 degrees. Very simple third bit. Okay, are you understood? Yeah, this is the 78 degrees and this is the AD is what's the angle? 67 degrees and this is the third one is 78 degrees. Okay, are you clear? Final answer. Therefore, the final answer equal to these all are only. You write it only. Okay. Directly I am write it here. It is only in the question. You write it here. It is. Okay, are you understood? Yeah. This problem solution is over. Are you understood? Yeah. Very simple. This problem solution is very simple. And after later you check it only one by one. You check it. Is it both are is it correct or not? Angle of E equal 78 degrees. So these two are is it equal only. So why it is equal? These two are is the same side of the transversal. Here it is the AE is the transversal. So angle of CED equal angle of BCA. So one is the interior angle, one is the exterior angle only. These two angles here is the same side of the transversal. So these two are is the corresponding angles only. Corresponding angles are is it equal only. So that's why these two angles are is it equal only. So are you clear? Yeah, it's over. And next sum of these two. This is the exterior angle. Check it only. Angle of CBD equal to angle of sum of these two angles only. 78 degrees plus 35 degrees is it to 113 degrees only. So our solution is it correct only. Okay. Yeah, sum of these two angles. Say 67 plus 113 only is equal to 180 degrees. Yes, is equal to 180 degrees only. So angle of D is also correct only. So all are the angles. Answers is all are is correct only. So our solution is correct. Okay, are you understood? Yeah, this problem solution is over. Next we'll move on to the next question. 16th question. Page number 105. First, I will read the problem in your textbook. In the adjacent figure, it is given that AB equal to AC, angle of BAC equal 36 degrees, angle of BDA equal 45 degrees, and angle of AEC equal 40 degrees. Find first bit. Angle of ABC, second bit. Angle of ACB, third bit. Angle of DAB, fourth one. Angle of EAC. Yeah, this is the question only. 16th problem question. This is the adjacent figure is give. First look at this figure. Be carefully, listen better neatly. What is given, what is asked? AB is equal to AC is give. So this angle and this is same only is give. Angle B equal to angle C equal to same. So one angle is give, this angle is give, BAC angle is give, that is the 36 degrees is give, angle of BDA is give, that is the 45 degrees is give. Next another angle is give, that is the AEC is give, that is the 40 degrees is give. Okay, how to calculate the angle of ABC, this angle, but you don't know how to calculate this angle. And next second one is angle of ACB, this angle, how to calculate it. First how to calculate only one angle. Why it is both are is it equal only?
Yes.
So that's angle B equal to angle C equal to same only. So here first bit and second bit is the same answer only. And next third bit, how will get this one only? Angle of DAB, but this angle, how to calculate this angle only. Okay, next third bit is 4 and next fourth bit, angle of EAC, this angle. Okay, this angle, but you don't know this angle only. How to calculate it? This one, 1, 2, 3. Okay, how to calculate it? These are the angles, how to calculate it only. So first, how will you do this problem? First bit and second bit, how to calculate it, the first and second only. Is it both or is it equal only? Or how will you get this, the first bit and second bit? First, which property are you using this one? This is the triangle. In triangle of ABC triangle. Okay, in ABC triangle, yeah, first sum of 3 angles is equal to the 180 degrees. That property are using only. So let should be is equal to x only. Angle B and angle C equal to x only. Okay. Yeah, sum of the 3 angles is that angles, that property are using, we will get this one only. These 2 angles we will get it only. Yeah, that first and second bit is 4 and next third bit only. First third bit is angle of DAB. How will get this one? First, don't know this angle only. How to calculate this angle? How will get this angle? This is the exterior angle only. This is the ABC is a triangle. BC side is produced to D only. So exterior angle is formed here it is. So first you have to calculate this one only. ABD angle you have to calculate it only. Exterior angle is equal to the sum of these 2 interior angles. That property are using. We will get this one, this angle only. And this angle is also same. Why it is same? Yeah, these 2 is also same. Yeah, BC is produced to this one side. This is a ABC triangle and yeah, BC one side is produced to E only. So one exterior angle is formed here it is. So what's the exterior angle? ACE triangle. So exterior angle is equal to the sum of these 2 angles only. So same answer we will get it only. These 2 exterior angles is the same answer, we will get it only. After getting these 2 angles, how to calculate it? This one only. Angle of DAB only. Okay. So yeah, how will you do this one only? This is the one triangle, ADB triangle. Whenever the 2 angles is no, how will you find out the third angle? Very simple. What's the property are you using? Angle sum property are using in this triangle only. We will get this angle only. And this side is also, left side is also same and right side is also ACE, otherwise EAC. This is also triangle. The 2 angles is no. How to calculate the third angle? How will you calculate this angle, since angle sum property are same property are using, we will get this one only. This is also very simple. Yeah, this is all are the properties are using, we will get this one by one angles we how to calculate it only. Okay, are you understood? Explanation are you understood, Gagan sir? Yeah, very simple. First given data, how to write it in our given problem only. What is given? In the adjacent figure, AB equal to AC and angle of BAC equal 36 degrees and angle of BDA equal 45 degrees and angle of AEC equal 40 degrees. To find first bit angle of ABC, second bit angle of ACB, third bit angle of DAB, next fourth one angle of EAC only. Okay, let the solution for this problem. Okay, from the given figure. Look at the figure, Gagan Sai. Look at the notebook. Be carefully listen better. Okay, are you understood? Sit here. Yeah, first one. What is given? AB equal, AC is give. This is equal, this is equal. Both are is it same only. So we have to calculate these two only. Okay, angle of B equal to angle of C equal, both are is it same. That is, let should be X only. Let angle of B equal to angle of C equal to X only. Yeah, next. Yeah, in triangle of ABC triangle, how to calculate the first bit only. What's the first bit? Solution. Here it is the angle of ABC angle. How will you get this angle? In triangle, what's the triangle? In triangle of ABC triangle. Okay, in triangle ABC, angle of A plus angle of B plus angle of C equal to 180 degrees. Sum of three angles is equal to 180 degrees. That property are using here it is. Okay, that property is angle sum property. Or interior, sum of the three interior angles is equal to 180 degrees. Angle sum property. Okay, are you clear? Are you understood? Yeah, angle of A is given in given problem. So what's the angle? 36 degrees. Angle of B plus angle of C, let should be X only. So you are substituting here it is only. Equal to 180 degrees. So 36 degrees, X plus X, it is nothing but 2X equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Yeah, variables, you will write it one side, all are the constants will move on to the other sides only. So what's the constants? Before equal 36 degrees, this is the constant. So after equal it becomes to the minus 36 degrees. We want the X value only. So first 180 degrees minus 36 degrees. Subtracting of these two terms, how much of angle got it? This is the rough calculation. I am doing this side only. Borrowing of 10. 10 minus 6, it is nothing but 4. 1 borrow its 4 left is 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. Next 1 as it is, write it. How much of angle? You got it. 144. So we want the X value only. X equal to 144 before equal. Multiplication of 2. After equal it becomes to the division of 2 only. Cancellation in the table of 2 table. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 7 ja 14, 2 2 ja 4. So how much of angle? We got it 72 degrees only. Each angle is angle of B equal 72 degrees, angle of C equal 72 degrees. Why it is equal? You already given in given problem only. Angle of ABC equal to angle of ACB. Both are is it equal only. Okay. Therefore, angle of ABC is equal to angle of ACB. equal to x equal to 72 degrees. Okay, both are is it, let should be x only. So 72 degrees, we got it. These two angles we got it only. Yeah, this is the first bit, and next second bit is also it's over. Second bit is the, what's the second bit? First bit is ABC. ABC is 72 degrees, and second bit is angle of ACB. ACB is 72 degrees. So first and second bit it's over. Are you clear? What's the second bit? Angle of ACB is over. These two problem solutions, we got this one angle, we got it, it's over. Next we'll goes to the third bit. What's the third bit? Angle of DAB. But you don't know this angle. How will you get this angle on? What's the angle from this figure? Angle of DAB only. So this angle you have to calculate it on. How will you get this angle? What we needed? This angle we needed only. Angle of ABD angle we needed. This angle we needed. Why it is needed? Only one angle is given in given problem. In this is the triangle only. ADB is it a triangle? Yes, is it a triangle? DAB is a one triangle only. So only one angle is given, but you don't know two angles, but you don't know. So first you have to calculate the only one angle, you have to calculate it. So whenever the two angles is no, I have to calculate the third angle. Since which property are you using, you already know that property. So angle sum property only. That property are you using, we will get this the third angle, very simple. Okay, find out only. So first you have to calculate the second angle. That angle is ABD angle only. Okay. So we want this angle only. Angle of ABD. How will get this angle? Yeah, this is the exterior angle. This is the ABC triangle. BC triangle is one side is produced only. Produced to D only. So exterior angle is formed. Exterior angle. This is the exterior angle is equal to sum of these two interior angles. What's the interior angles? Angle of A plus angle of C. Why it is equal? These two are is the exterior. Exterior angle is equal to sum of the two interior angles. Okay? Angles. This property are using only. We will get this angle only. So what's the angle of A? Angle of A it is nothing but 36 degrees. Angle of C it is nothing but what's the
72 degrees.
Sum of these two angles. How much of angle we get it to? 36 plus 72 only.
180.
So 6 plus 8 it is 6 plus 2 it is nothing but 8. 3 plus 7 is 108. How much of angle we got it to?
108.
108. That is nothing but this one only. Angle of ABD is equal to 108 degrees. This is the exterior angle is equal to 108 degrees. This is also same only. 108 degrees. Why it is same? This is also same. This is the ABC one triangle is given, and this is the BC. One side of the BC is produced to E only. So exterior is angle is formed here it is. What's the exterior angle? ACE. Angle is formed only. So exterior angle is equal to the sum of these two angles only. What's the angles? Angle A plus angle B equal to what's the this one only. Okay, are you clear? Angle of what's the this is the angle of ACB is equal to angle of A plus angle of B only. Okay, this is also same answer only. So what's the why it is same? This is also 36 plus 72 only. Same degrees only. So that's why your answer is also same. Same answer we will get it only. This side is also same only. Otherwise, this is a straight line only. Linear pairs is also sum of these two angles. So, what's the angles? 72 degrees plus 108 degrees equal to 180 degrees. why it is equal to 180 degrees? These two are is the linear pairs only. These two are also linear pairs. Okay, otherwise this is also exterior angle properties also using doing anyone. Otherwise linear pairs properties also using only. Okay, anyone only. Anyone, this property or either this property. Yeah, this is, it's over. This angle we got it. How much of angle we got it? 108 degrees only. Yeah, this is a one triangle. This is a triangle only. What's the triangle? ADB triangle. So yeah, here it is the two angles is no. How to calculate the third angle? How will you calculate the third angle? Since by using the angle sum property, that property we will get the third angle, we will get it only. So angle of DAB is equal to how much of angle of D plus angle of A plus angle of B is equal 180 degrees. Why it is equal to 180 degrees? Angle sum property. Sum of three interior angles. Okay. Equal to 180 degrees. That property, by utilizing that property, we will get this angle of A. We will get it. What's the property are using here? It is angle sum property are using only. So angle of D. What's the angle of D? 45 degrees. Substituting these two angles only. What's the angles? Angle of D and angle of D angle. Substituting here it is in this above equation, we will get the angle of A angle. We will get it only. So angle of D is given in a given figure and angle of B. What's the angle of B? 108 degrees. But angle of A is as it is written. Angle of A as it is written plus angle of B, it is nothing but 108 degrees. Okay, are you clear? Angle of B is 108 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Next, we want the angle of A, but you don't know this angle only. So, we have to calculate this one only. So, 180 degrees. Yeah, before equal. These two angles will move on to the other side only. So minus terms.
153.
Minus 45 degrees minus 108 degree. How much of angle? You got it. 180. Subtracting of these only. 45 degrees minus of 108 only. Okay. First these two are the minus terms only. So sum of these two terms. So 8 plus 5, it is nothing but 13. Okay, 4 plus 1, 5 only. So 1 as it is written, minus 153.
Minus.
Okay. Yeah, 180 minus 153. Okay, this is the 180 degrees. Yeah, these two are is the minus terms only. So sum of these two terms, how much of angle we got it? Minus 153. Subtracting of these two terms, how much of angle we get it? That angle is angle A only. So borrowing it's 10 only. So 10 minus 3, it is nothing but 7. Okay, one borrow it's over, here it is, and left is 7 only. 7 minus 5, 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. How much of angle we got it to? 27 degrees. That is the angle of A angle only. Okay. A angle is how much of angle we got it? 27 degrees. This is the 27 degrees we got it only. Angle of A. How will you get this angle? Since some angle some property are using, we will get this one. Next, how to calculate it? This one, fourth one. Angle of EAC. You have to calculate this angle only. How will you get this one? This angle? This is also one triangle.
Okay.
ACE triangle. Yeah. Yeah, these two angles we know. How to find out the third angle? How will you get this third angle? Since angle sum property are using, we will get this one only. Very simple. Yeah, first triangle. What's the triangle name? In triangle EAC. Triangle. Okay, this is the fourth bit only. How will you get the fourth bit only? In triangle EAC triangle. Triangle E plus triangle A plus triangle C equal to 180 degrees. Why it is equal? These two, what's the property are you using here? It is why it is equal to 180 degrees? Angle sum property. These two are the angle sum property only. Okay. Since by using the angle sum property. Yeah. What's the angles? Substituting here it is angle of C and angle of E only. Substituting here it is 108 plus 40 degrees only. Okay. But you don't know this angle only. How to calculate the angle of A only. So angle of E it is nothing but 40 degrees. Substituting these two angles, E and C angles. Angle of A as it is written. Angle of C it is nothing but what's the C angle? 108 only. Is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. We want the angle of A angle only. How will you get this one? 180 degrees minus of these two angles only. Subtracting of these two angles. 108 minus, this is also minus and this is also minus only. So 40. 198 plus 40 degrees. It is nothing but 148. Okay. Minus 148 only. So this is the minus 148 degrees only. Okay. Before equal, sum of these two angles, after equal it becomes to the minus 148 degrees only. Subtracting of these two terms, we will get this angle of A only. How will you get this angle of A? Are you understood? Yeah. 180 degrees minus of 148 degrees. We will get this one only. Here borrowing is, here it is only 10 borrowing is. 10 minus 8 is 2. Okay, 1 borrow it's over, left is 7 only. 7 minus 4, 3 only. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So how much of angle we got it to? 32 degrees. That is the angle of A only. Fourth bit answer. How much of angle? We get it? 32 degrees. This is the 32 degrees. Okay, are you understood? Same property are using. This left side triangle and right side triangle is also same property are using. Middle of this is also same property. What's the property are using in this one? 3 triangles. How many triangles are here? It is in this figure is 3 triangles. 3 triangles is the same property are using only. Some angle sum property are using. We will get this. All are the angles. We will get it only. Okay, are you understood? How many angles we get it here in this problem? 1 and 2, 3, 4. These two are is the same only. 1. These two is also same. 2, 3, 4 angles. Okay, this problem solution is over. Are you understood?
Yes.
This is the rough calculation. Yeah, this problem solution is over, and next we'll move on to the next question. Are any doubts?
No.
Next question. 17th question. Using information given in the figure, calculate the value of x and y only. This figure is give. Yeah, first what is given, what is asked in this question only. First, what's asked in this question is the x and y values. asked only these two values, but you don't know how to calculate these two values. Okay. Yeah, first I will explain this figure Gagan Sai. Yeah, first these two angles is give. This is the one triangle ACB. Triangle is give. One side is produced. BC side is produced to angle D only. So exterior angle is formed here. It is X degrees angle. What's the exterior angle? ACD angle is formed here. It is okay. These two angles is given in given problem. Exterior angle is equal to the sum of these two interior angles. We will get this X degrees. We will get it. How will you get this X degrees? Are you understood? Which property are you using here? It is exterior angle property are using only. We will get this X degrees. We will get it only. So Y degrees also same. Yeah, this is the triangle only. This is the one small triangle. CDE triangle. Okay. This is also one side is produced only. What's the side? CE side is produced to A only. So exterior angle is formed here. It is. What's the exterior angle? Y degree angle. Y degree angle is equal to the sum of these two angles only. Interior angles only. So same property are using here. It is also. We will get this Y degree angle only. How will get the Y degree angle? Since exterior angle property using, we will get this one only. Okay. Same property are using. We will get this these two angles by utilizing of same property. We will get these two angles. We will get it only. Okay, are you clear? Otherwise, another way is also today we will learn it only. What's the another way? Yeah, first once observe this one Gagan Sai. Here this is the one triangle is give. What's the triangle? ACB on triangle is give. Two angles is give. We have to calculate the third angle. Very simple. How will you calculate the third angle? We know that one property. What's the property? Sum of the three interior angles is equal to 180 degrees only. So that property are using, we will get the third angle only. First we will find out the third angle only. Next, after getting this angle, next once observe this one. This is the DB is the one straight line only. Next, linear property. These two are is the linear pairs only. Sum of these two angles at a point C point on the straight line only. So sum of these two X degrees plus this angle we equal to 180 degrees. These two are is the linear pairs of angles. That property are using. We will get this X degrees only. We will get it. That is also very simple. That property are using here. It is only. Yeah, very simple. Two ways today we will learn it. This problem. Simply is also learn it. Otherwise, another method is also learn it only. Anyone, you write it only. Yeah, first let the solution for this problem. First given data, this is the given only. Using information given in the figure, and next 2 point is calculate the value of X and Y only. Let the solution for this problem. Next from the given figure. Okay, are you clear? Are you understood the explanation? Yeah, very simple explanation. Yeah, first simply write it only. Simply write it means is a very simple. X degrees is equal to, what's the angles? Angle of A plus angle of B. Why it is equal? These two are is the exterior angles. Exterior angle is equal to sum of the two interior angles. These two are is the interior angles. Yes, these two are is the interior angles only. Okay. How to calculate the X degrees only. From this figure you have to calculate these two angles. You have to calculate it. How will you get this X degree angle? Since which property are you using here? It is exterior angle property are you using. We will get this X degree angle. We will get it. This is the simple solution. X degrees is equal to sum of these two angles. What's the angles? Angle A is equal 34 degrees. Angle B equal 62 degrees. these two angles, sum of these two angles, we will get this one only, x degrees angle. 34 degrees plus 62 degrees. Yeah, this is the rough calculation I am doing this side only. So 4 plus 2, it is nothing but 6. 3 plus 6, it is nothing but 9. So how much of angle we got it? Yeah, this is the 4 plus 2, 6, 96 gagan side. Okay, 96 only. How much of angle we got it?
96.
X degrees. This is the 96 only. Okay, one angle is over, and next we have to calculate the y degree angle. How will you get this y degree angle? This is also same property are using here. It is also y degrees is equal angle of D plus angle of C. Why it is equal? These two is also exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to sum of the two interior angles. Okay, this property are using, we will get this y degree angle. So substituting these two angles, what's the angles? Angle D, it is nothing but, what's the 24 degrees is given in given problem only. Next angle C, angle C is, we know that only. What's the angle? 96 degrees. Substituting these two angles, how much of angle we get it only? 24 plus 96. Sum of these two terms, how much of angle we get it only? So sum of these two terms, 4 plus 6, it is nothing but 10. So 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 2, 120 degrees. Okay, is it correct? 24 plus 96, it is nothing but how much of angle we get it to? 120 degrees. That is nothing but y degree angle. This is the 120 degrees. Okay, y degree equal to 120 degrees. Are you clear? Are you understood? Therefore, the final answer, the values of x and y is equal to, what's the x? X is 96 degrees and y is equal to 120 degrees. These two are is the final answer only. Okay, this is the rough calculation. Here it is only. Okay, are you clear? Are you understood? This is the final answer. Very simple answer only. So otherwise, other method is also we'll learn it only. So in triangle of, what's the other method? In triangle of, what's the triangle? ABC triangle. You have to calculate the angle of C angle. So two angles is given only in given figure. We have to calculate the third angle only. How will you get this angle of C angle? How will you get it only? First you have to calculate that one only. So what's the property are using in this problem? So angle of A plus angle of B plus angle of C equal to 180 degrees. What's the property are you using here? It is angle sum property. Okay, are you clear? Are you understood? So angle of A. Angle of A, it is nothing but 34 degrees is given problem. Angle of B, that is also given in given figure. So what's the angle? 62 degrees. Angle of C, but you don't know. It should be X, otherwise as it is written. Let's angle of C only. So 180 degrees. We want the angle of C angle. How will you get this angle? 180 degrees. Subtracting of these two angles. These two angles is the 34 plus 62. How much of angle? 96 degrees only. So plus before equal plus 96, after equal it becomes to the minus 96 degrees only. So angle of C equals, subtracting of these two terms, how much of angle we get it to? Yeah, borrowing here it is only 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. So 1 bar, here it is 1 bar, it's over 7 only. So yeah, borrowing here it is only 10. So total is 17 only. 17 minus 9, 8 only. 17 minus 9 is 8 only. So angle of C equal 84 degrees. This is the 84 degrees. Okay. So angle C is, we got it only. Next, after getting the angle C, next what will we do? Yes, this is a one straight line only. These two are is the linear pairs only. Why it is linear? These two are is the sum of these two angles at a point, C point, and the straight line only. So these two are is the linear pairs. What's the x degrees plus 84 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Why it is equal to 180 degrees? These two are is the linear pairs only. Linear pairs. How will you get the x degrees? Since this property are using on linear
96
pairs angles. Okay, we want the x degrees angle. So how will you get this x degrees angles? 180 degrees minus of
96.
84 degrees.
96.
So we will get this.
96.
How much of angle?
96.
X degrees equal 96 degrees. Very good. In both methods, we will get the same answer. Yes, both methods is also same answer. This method, this is the linear pairs of angles that property are using. Otherwise, exterior angle properties. That method is also, we will get the same answer. Resultant answer is both in both methods in resulting answer is same only. So our solution, is it correct? Yes, is correct only. Otherwise, exterior property. This is also exterior property. Okay. Yeah, this is also very simple only. Otherwise, this method. Otherwise, this one only. Anyone you can practice only. Are you understood of this problem solution, Gagan Sai? Are you understood? Yeah, this problem solution is over. 17th problem solution is over. Very simple. Yeah, this is also very simple only. Exterior angle properties enough only. That is the very simple only. Single step is over. This answer. Yeah, this is the 17th problem solution is over. And today is all are that 4 problems. It's over. Today my class is over. Yeah, the chapter is also it's over. Final answer, you write it. What's the final answer? The values. The values of x and y is equal to, what's the x is 96 degrees and y is equal to 120 degrees. This is the final answer. Okay. Next, 4th chapter is over. Therefore, chapter 4 is over. Okay, are you clear? Are you understood?
Yes, understood.
Yeah, this 4th chapter, all exercise, all problems and solutions is over.
Yes.
Are you any doubts today class?
No doubts.
Yeah, today's my class is over. Say thank you. Have a nice day. Next, I will meet you. Next new chapter. Say
Say bye.
bye.